In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover in Notion Gallery View. If you are using a gallery database in Notion, covers are the images that appear on each card and instantly make your projects, notes, or portfolios easier to scan. We'll set things up so each card shows the page's cover. Then we'll add, change, and reposition those images. And finally, fine-tune the card size so your gallery looks just right. Start by opening your database and clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Choose Layout. In the settings that open, find Card Preview and switch it to Page Cover. This tells Notion to use the image at the top of each page as the preview image on your gallery cards. If your cards look blank right now, don't worry, that just means you haven't added covers to those pages yet. Next, open any page in your database. At the very top, click Add Cover. Notion will place a default image there. To choose exactly what you want, click the cover again and select Change Cover. From here, you can browse Unsplash for high-quality free photos. Upload your own image from your device, or paste a direct image link. Unsplash is great for quick professional visuals, while uploading your own lets you keep everything on brand. If you are using a link, make sure it points to an actual image file so it displays correctly. Once your cover is in place, hover your mouse over the photo and click Reposition. Drag the image to frame the most important part, especially useful for wide scenes or portraits. Take a moment to center the subject or keep key text within view, so it looks good both on the page and on the gallery card. When you are satisfied, exit repositioning and Notion will remember your placement. To control how large those cards appear in your gallery, go back to the three-dot menu, open Layout again, and choose a card size, small, medium, or large. Small fits more cards on the screen and keeps things compact. Medium is a balanced choice for most dashboards. Large gives your images more room to shine, which is ideal for visual projects or portfolios. Pick the size that matches how much detail you want to see at a glance. That's it. With Card Preview set to Page Cover, a thoughtfully chosen and repositioned image on each page, and the right card size, your gallery view will be clear, consistent, and visually engaging. Thanks for watching.